Oawalker here, and in this video we're going to be unboxing the brand new iPad Pro. This is the 12.9 inch one. This is the 512GB model in space grey. You see the 6th generation. I'm just going to take a look at it and see. We're just going to take this strip off. See right here. I think there's one at the top as well. You can just open this up. Oh, it's not coming out. There we go. Bit of a struggle. Wow. So just for a bit of context, I did have the previous iPad, but it was the 11 inch. Decided to upgrade to the 12. Pretty good. Let's set this to one side for now. Let's just see what else you get in the box. Designed by Apple in California. iPad, some warranty information. Kind of tells you how to set it up and stuff. Is anything else in here? Oh, there you go, and some Apple stickers. Put this to one side. So you do have a charging brick, which is nice, and you also have a USB. This is a Type C to Type C cable, and that is literally all you get in the box. And this is obviously the UK pin. It's nice that they've included this. So it just flicks out like that. It's nice that's included and you don't have to spend an additional money to get a separate charger. So let's put that to one side and take a look at the iPad itself. It is massive. Let's just take this off. This is the space gray one. It looks pretty good. Put this to one side. It's pretty nice. You can see there's a minimal bezel going around it. Let's take a look at the back. You do have the updated camera on there. Apple logo. And the thickness is pretty good. What I'm gonna do quickly. This is the iPad. This is the 2018 model. This is the 11 inch. You can see the size comparison of it is crazy. One of the reasons why I decided to upload to it, you can see the thickness of it as well. I said the thickness is about the same, maybe a bit thinner. But yeah, let's put that to one side. All right, let's turn it on and see if there's any juice in here. So we're gonna let that start up and I'll be right back. So it just started up. And it takes you through the setup process. I did not pick English, please. Germany. Is this country? Yeah. Let's go down. United Kingdom. So what I'm going to do is set up the Wi-Fi and go through the startup process, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I've got everything set up now. I've just set up as a new iPad. What I'm going to do is download all my games and all my apps and stuff like that. But if you had an iPad before, it's pretty much just similar. It's got new widgets now. I think there's an update as well to the latest iPad OS, which I'm going to download now. Yeah, but overall it's pretty nice. Seems pretty fast and responsive, and it's got the new M2 chip as well, so I want to be doing some gaming videos on there as well, see how the gaming is. Yeah, that is about it. A new iPad, it looks pretty good. If there's any videos specifically that you want to see, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll see if I could try and do it. That is about it for the video. Just a quick unboxing, showing you what you get in the box. And this will be, if I could grab it, an upgrade from my old iPad. You can see the size difference is crazy. Maybe I could do some comparisons if you want. leave all of that in the comment section down below. And yeah, that is about it. Thanks for watching. Peace.